I still see myself as a young guy in the business, and the car business in the 80s and 90s, it had a bad rap, and it still sometimes has a bad reputation. So when I started Straightline, I wanted to get away from any stigma that was surrounding buying a car dealership or the sleazy car salesman mentality. When you walk into our stores, there's no tricks, there's no games, there's no one hiding behind a magic cloak. It's just come in and you'll meet me as the owner, you'll meet our sales managers, general manager, and from the start to finish, we just want you to have fun. What we do internally as a group is we say we win as a team and we lose as a team. So what I try and do is I set incentives and targets and things that we achieve, but we only reward the dealership and the teams when everybody succeeds. And we say, okay, we know that as a group and as a dealership and business, our target's up here, but if our newer staff aren't up here, then we're not winning as a team. So across the board, we try and say win as a team, lose as a team, and make sure that everyone's carrying their weight, but also that all of our experienced people are teaching the young ones coming into the business. I like to make sure that I have a path, I have a plan, I know what I want to execute on. But in my 20 years, I've seen 2 to 3 economic upturns and downturns. We've had to manage businesses through a global pandemic. At the current moment, we are fighting every day with a tariff war. When things are out of your control, what is in your control is your attitude, your mentality, and just staying stable. Staying stable and working through it and understanding that when things fail or things don't go your way, it's not necessarily your fault. And it's not your team's fault, and it's not your business's fault. And so now looking back, I just say, just stay level-headed, man. Like, you're gonna get through it, and it's out of your control, and it's not your fault.